Fold it up, pocket size spaceship. Future is the rise, screen split. Dual minds, multitasking side by side. Unfold the future.
Hey, what's up, guys? Josh here. 24th July 2025, and today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Let's go! Bingo say let's go! Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Bingo, huh? Okay, going back to the video. So this is what we've got today from the Samsung Experience Store. First, this luggage is one of the freebies. Yeah. Free luggage, and as usual, for every pre-order of any Galaxy Z Flip or Z Fold, it comes with a free 25-watt power adapter. Are you free? The adapter. And last 4 months ago, when I've got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, this was the freebie, the Marshall Whelan. But for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, the freebie is actually worth 5,900 baht. This is the freebie. SoundLink Flex portable speaker by Bose. Hyper. Freebie. And of course, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, 512 GB in black colorway. How do they call it? Jet black colorway. Okay, that's it. Free luggage, free portable speaker worth 6,000 baht, free Samsung 25-watt power adapter worth 700 baht, the luggage, and a 500 baht M coupon. So let's do the unboxing of the main thing for today. And now it's time to... No, I will not peel the tab. I will just... Okay, just for the sake of the unboxing, let's peel the tab. Oh, that's it. Almost dropped. Let's go first with the inserts. We have the literature, quick startup, proprietary USB-C charging cable, data and charging, matching with the color of the device. Of course, somewhere here inside will be the SIM prying tool. So literature, quick start guide, cable, and no power adapter, but yeah, we have it for free. And we have still a lot of cable from the Z Flip, Z Fold 6 and S25 Ultra. And now this is the main thing. Wow. This is the C Flip 7. First flip, zero gap. So they said that those who used the Z Flip first generation till the 6th, this is the best flip because as you can see there's no gap anymore. First unflip. Let's do some quick setup. Compress. So this power button here, this also is the fingerprint scanner, which I love with the fold and flip. Unlike the S25 Ultra, the fingerprint scanner is so good, except if you put the tempered glass protector. You have to really press it so hard to use the fingerprint scanner. Unlike here, it's here embedded in the power button. But yeah, I don't know how to. Okay, it's here. Okay, while waiting for the boot, let's now unpeel this flip cover. Welcome. And they said that when you unflip it, it will continue showing in the cover. Where is it? Oh, it's here. It's still Monday, 23 June. Oh, it means this probably is manufactured on that day. Okay, let's go English. Let's just a quick English United States. Start. So out from the box, it has a 66% battery. And when it comes to battery, they said that the cons of this is not that strong battery, but still this is 1.5 day of normal use, so it's still good. Okay, set up manually. Okay, let's add network first. Trojan virus. Okay, it's now connected. Let's wait for a while. So the cons, one of the cons here as well, when it comes to the SIM card tray, for S25 Ultra, it has 2 physical SIM tray. This one, it only has 1. Set up later. Don't copy. So this is a real-time setting up. No time lapse, no speeding. Okay, skip. More, accept. Okay, account and device just for you. May skip this. Okay, later, set up later. Skip. Okay, let's skip. More, degree light. Okay, just for the sake of setting up the phone, let's keep every registration and logins. Next. Setup. Let's go home. So that's it. Okay. Date and time. Let's see now. It's connected to internet.
Yeah, Samsung in the grip. Flip 7 clean, better zip that drip. White crack on the screen. Nah, keep it pristine.
Time.
Armor on the
So it's
case,
accurate now.
like a digital machine. Folded like
23 o'clock or 11 p.m. Thursday, 24th July, Bangkok.
living tech dream. Dropped it once, now I won't let it fall. 4-notch gripper, yeah, I answer recall. Pop sound when it snaps back tall. Galaxy flex in the future, my wall. Protect the flip, guard the
I still don't know how to use this. Okay. 24th July.
no neglect. Glass so slick, fingerprints vanish.
That's it.
Case on lock, never see a damage. Pocket so deep,
It's so light.
vanish. The Z Flip 7 got the world in a panic.
And
Origami
they said that you can use this cover screen for answering email, chatting. You still have this space, but you have to set up the app from here, and then you can set up to use it from the cover screen. And for the pros, they said that they have appealing design. Yes, it is larger and brighter outer display that I don't have any idea because this is my first flip. Excellent main screen, good network performance, Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI, I believe, this is the improved one because the Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, they already have very good AI. How much more this new one? So for sure this is an improved version. They said decent camera, yes. However, if you want to have like a really good camera, might as well go to the S25 Ultra or the Z Fold 7 because those cell phones, they have 200 megapixel camera. For this one, 10, 12 and 50 maximum. But the S25 Ultra, they have 200 megapixel setup, which you can really blow up and the photo will still be clear. But this one, it has the camera of the Z Fold 6. Okay, but inside is improved one. And yeah, going back to the battery, 31 hours, so 1.5 days. 1.5 days of full performance. So if you are just using this for text or nominal consumption of social media, maybe it'll last for 2 days. Okay, so before we end this video, let's try this suitcase. And if you are still planning to buy the Z Fold 6 or Z Fold 7 and you're going to buy the kind suitcase of Samsung, if you are going to log in or search via samsung.com and then go to the suitcase feedback, you will see that the feedback there is very low. Feedbacks there were very flawed. If they can only give half star, they will give half star, just like me, because the kind suitcase for Fold 6 and Fold 7, they are just all for aesthetics. They are not durable. You can check my YouTube video content about that. It's valid. In the beginning, I thought I was just like overthinking about the quality, but after checking the comments on the website, yes, it's true. It's not durable. Many complaints. Reason why, after a few months, they put the case to 90% discount. kind suitcase, beige color. Let's try to fit it without peeling the adhesive, because we're going to think whether this color or the black color. So let's try first without removing the adhesives. Front one. That's it. So this is the phone with the case after. Oh, with this case, the fingerprint scanner is still accessible. Wow, this looks slick and light. Really light. But yeah, again, if you're using your phone for taking photos and videos, might as well still go to the S25 Ultra or the Z Flip 7, because Z Fold 7, because Z Fold 6, the camera is not very good. Okay, so just like any foldables, that's why they have adhesives in this corner, because it's quite wobbly without the adhesive. So the drawback of this, every time you think of changing your case, you have to really remove the adhesive, and then afterwards you just buy third-party adhesive to replace the old adhesive. Otherwise it will really get damaged very easily. This one in every fold or flip version. So once you attach this with the adhesive, the next time you will remove it, you can't reuse it again, except you will buy the adhesive. So that's it for today. Quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 Jet Black 512 GB. Thanks for stopping by.
Night more brighter than a neon glow. Selfie so crisp, let the confidence show. Screen tougher than a rhino skin. For the game, Samsung wins again. Tap, scroll, tap, fluid like water flow. Colors popping vivid like a sunset show. It's a vibe, it's a move. Tech with a groove, Galaxy Z Flip 7, always in the mood.